Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon. Again, welcome to our SAP channel. Thank you.
19.0 24 December 2024. So today we have topic on the kind of some posting period. Okay, physical year and posting period.
Posting period, right? Fiscal
Yeah.
year and posting period.
Yes. So first we need to understand the what is physical year. So physical year, what is happened? We are defining some generally what is happening if you see the in India, it is starting from April to March. Okay, this is a financial year. Okay, and if you see the other countries, maybe they are falling from Jan to December.
Yes.
Okay, so what happened? For April to March, it is happening. Okay, suppose if you are running 2024. Okay, so definitely here this is a good time. Okay, this topic. So from January, our date will be start, right? For the next year, so it will be 25. But in the system, it will be not complete because in the real life, it means once it is April to March, it will be start from 1 April, okay, to March, sorry, to May, 3 June, like this is happening. So 12th will be the March. Okay, so what is happening?
Okay,
We
wait,
are
just
calling.
hold on. Let
Yeah,
me send you a request to record, please. I forgot.
yeah. No, sorry.
Sorry. Yes.
Okay, so physical year and posting period. So physical year, we are having some definitions. Okay, to 12th month. Okay, and we are giving a special period. Okay, so what happened? So March to April to March, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. Okay, that is March. So March 25 will be finished. So that is 12, and after that we will give extra. Extra means 4 month is extra. Okay, so what happened? March means in April 2025. Okay, May, April, May, June, and July. So April 2024, 25 to July 25. So it will be extra posting period. Why? Because if there is a pending, because you are completed all month or year, so before closing to year end, okay, we have 4 other options. So that's why we are saying this is the fiscal year. Okay, so physical year we can start from April to March or Jan to December. Okay, so I will show you into system. So this is the kind of configurations, and it is related to FI integrations. Okay, so this is the we are saying the physical year. I will show you how it will manage. And two means you define the one physical variant. So if you define any physical variant, we can use the same standard or we can define our own. That is not problem. Okay. So suppose you define X1. So your company code, okay, your company code is there. So we need to assign this physical variant with your company code. Okay. So suppose I define X1. Okay, into system, if you see, this is a kind of V3 or K4 something, we can check. And in physical variant, okay, we will say my year start from April to March. This is a 1 to 12. Okay, and we will assign extra 4. So 4 is a special period. So what happened? 4, why we are giving? Because see, every month we are closing. Okay, but end the year, Good. At the year end, okay, what happened? We will have other option for special period, because if there is a kind of pending issue for the year end, because if you close this issue, this year means this period, you cannot posting. So generally we are giving for special period, so that will be open until July. Okay, so this variant we are defining, okay, and we will assign to company code. So what happened? Suppose the company code is the in my case 1810 is there. Okay, so 1810 is there means you can follow this physical variant. So this is the posting period, means we're defining the fiscal year with the special period. And posting period, so posting period we are doing kind of monthly. Okay, so we have a posting variant also, we are defining into this. So in the posting variant we are closing on monthly basis, and we need to define year. So I will show you here. And in the mm, so there is a two kind of posting. First is the fi, and mm. Okay, so while making the period posting, we can check the pb and rb. Okay, so I will show you, and then we can post it. And in fi, actually this is the kind of some physical variable we are maintaining. Okay, so 1 to 12, if I want to close, fi team will close. Okay, so fi team will close their posting and we will close our posting. So I will show you. So maybe in 2nd Jan we will get the live. So I will also show you MMPV, MMRV. So this is the meaning of fiscal year and posting period. So let me log in into system. So go to SPRO. Finance, finance, finance. It is kind of some finance, okay. So if you go to finance accounting, global setting, there is a ledger, oh sorry, ledger. And this is the fiscal year and posting period. Okay. So in SPRO, go to financial accounting and financial accounting global setting. Okay. So come here, you can see the maintain fiscal year variant. Okay. And assign company code to fiscal year variant. This is the first point. Second is the define variance for the open posting period. Assign variant to company code the same way. Okay. And open and close posting period. So I will mention here. I did not mention, sorry. I followed the same way. So I can say the posting period and assignment. So as I say said the right MMPV. So this is open posting period. So maintain fiscal year variant. So see, already we have, okay, but if you want, you can maintain your own. So if you see, I will show you some Indian things. V3 generally we are using V3. Let me check. Okay, see, this is April to March. Okay, so we are defining the physical year variant, FEP. We are calling FEP. Okay, and here we mention this is a description, and this is a number of period. Okay, number of posting period. Okay, that is 12th, means April to March, and we are giving a special period. So number of is special. Okay, we can give more, but generally following as per SAP best practice in a company, they can give the 4. Okay, if you are a real excellent company, means it will be 0. They are not giving the special, but it is not possible because if you see the year end, there is a lots of pendings are there, right? Payment from vendor. Okay, means if it is kind of debit credit issue, you need to get some amount from vendor. Also, the important thing, you need to get amount from customer. Okay, there are some pendings closings, so we can follow into this special period. So this is the way you need to just define this one, and you can do it. Okay, if you see, so first we will give this one. If you want, you can create from here. Okay, so I'm not going to do any change. It is standard. And once you go into this, okay, so you can define like this. This is the 12th month. Okay, see, this is the 12th, 1 2 3 4 we define. Okay, and this is the day 31st, 29, this is the day. Okay, and if you see, this is the 10 11 12. Okay, so why it is giving like this? So this is your April, right, 30 days. So we are giving the first, then May, June, July. That's why I'm coming. So start from here into period 1 2 3 4. If you go down, then it will become end into 9. Then again go up. So first means January 2005 is the 10. Then February, then March. Okay, this is the period. So month, day, and period, and year shift. So year shift, if you see everywhere 0. Okay, but why into first is why? Because if you are moving into, this is very important thing. Okay, so where, well, this is okay. So if you put start from 2024, okay, so 1 to 9, okay, means April to December. It is done in 2024. Okay, because your year is going to 24. Now your Jan is 2025. Jan, Feb, and March. 2025. So what is happening? We are making the year shift, means it is -1. So 235 minus 1 means 2024. So this is the assessment year. Okay, so that's why we are saying this is the -1. Okay, this is just simple calculation. So that we need to define. So generally this fiscal variant, it is FI, they provided, but you need to know. Sometimes you need to define, okay, to project. So you can check this. Again, I'm saying, if you go here, you will give the new entries. So you can give like, let me try. I'm not sure whether it is there or not. So if it is related to calendar year means we have our own. Okay, so we can follow. So generally we are not dependent because we are following our own. I created new one and just go to period. So if you put new entry, like then 1, 2, 3, like this you defined, and you can put like this. So you can try it. So this is the our physical variant, and we will see where we assign. Path, please remember this path because it is not into mm. Maintain physical year. So this is already we have seen. Then assign company code to physical year. So I will show you my company code. My company code is 1810. So in this case, we have defined K4. Okay. So what is K4? K4 is the where we define the V3 the same way. Okay. If you see this company, V3 is defined. So once you define means your period posting will be there like this. So we can assign into this. I will show you also K4. K4 is the Jan to December. So K4 calendar year. So they have considered calendar year means Jan to December. Okay, so that's why they mark here. Again, they set the 12 to 4. And if you click on here, so it is maintained the calendar year, so it will be same, no issue. So this is physical variant and assignment. Then define variance for open posting period. So here we are just defining the variants. Okay. So in my case, I was using the same 1710. It is not 1810 because already it is there. So variant for the posting period. You can just define your own. SSL. I can just save it. Z01. And if go to assign variance to company code. So if you see, so already assigned here 1710. But if you want, you can define your own. So Z01 you can also assign. So you can assign here, but I am not assigning because already our set is there. What was there? Okay, 1710 was there, no issue. So this is the configuration is there. And here, if you click on the open or opening period and this, you can see. So this is the important thing, open period and closing. Okay, so that you need to understand. So in the first point, we have created the fiscal variant. So you can use the standard, then assignment in company code with the fiscal year, and need to create posting period and assign with the company code. Okay. Now, this is very important. Okay. From this, our company is working. So see, there is a plus A T. This is a vendor all account. Okay. If you see, you can see here. So plus means valid for all accounts type, and A is the asset, D for the customer. These are the type of account. As I was saying, right? There is a vendor account, there is a customer account, there is a asset. All kind of posting is happening. Okay, all type of transaction happening for the FI or MM. I can say, like MM is related to material, vendor, Okay, it is related to sales. So all type of account is happening. Again, open and closing period, just assign, maintain. And here we have, okay. So so what happened, plus means it is for all account. Okay, so first you need to see for plus see, we are saying this is a period. Okay, so this is a period starting from 13, okay, and 16. So 13, 14, 15, 16, this is a special period. Okay, because we are into December and we are saying which year. So it is extended till 2020, 30, 2030. Okay, and period from period. So this is the interval from 1 to 12. Okay, start 2000. It is starting from 2000, which 2030. Okay, so this is happening. So this is the way you need to maintain the posting period. Okay, important thing, it is plus means it is for all account. If you see, it is plus for valid for account. Okay, and we can follow. But what happened, why we are giving the A, D, K, M1? Because suppose if you are closing, your period is done, okay, and you are into example 2025 December, 2025 Feb, okay, and on that time, suppose customer account is open and you need to do some posting, then what you will do? On that time you can maintain as a D. I think D is the customer, right? Yeah, D is the customer. So what happened, no need to open all these things, you need to just open this one and you can post the posting. Okay, so that's why it is giving specific with the customer, vendor, material. Okay, so what happened, if you close this one, okay, if you close this account, it is for closing for the all, but if you want you can open this specific. Okay, so that's why system is giving like this. So this is a FI posting, and if you see the OB52 transaction, okay, so remember OB52, it is generally maintained by the FI consultant, not by us, but you need to understand the configurations. Okay, so this is the way they are doing the posting. So again, I'm saying this is the all type of accounts. This is for all. This is for specific vendor, customer, material, okay, all asset. So suppose if I want to close this one, I can close this one. So generally they close for all, and if there is a open posting, they can just open from here. And this is a from period, means 13 to 16. This is a special period in front, and this is from the normal 1 to 12. And we are saying from this year, so it is started from 2000 to 30, then again 2000 to 30. So this is our configurations. Please check again and repeat it. And the posting period. Okay, so if you see the RV, so I am giving my company code. So see, if you can see any company code, means RV is to see the posting. Okay, means what is the period is going. So current is saying current period is 12th. Okay, 2024. So this is December, and previous period is the November, and last period in the previous, so that is 12 2023. So last year it is saying. Okay, so that is not a concern is you need to check current period, okay, and previous period. So if you do posting for the old period, system will give the error. Okay, if you want to open this period, suppose if you go to Jan, I will show you in Jan once you come back. MMPV is the transaction. So here we, if you want to close any period, we can give the 18110, company code 18110, period. So period we will give the 12, fiscal year, so that is 2024. And if you want, you can give date, so I will not give. Then you need to check and close. If you want, you can do into steps, two step. You can first check and then close. So let me try it. Okay, so system is saying, so we are into just display mode. Period closing complete, it is saying. Okay. So this is the way you can close your period. So MMPV and MMRV is an important transaction. In MMRV, we can see the our period. OB57 I can put. Lead by So there is a two kind of one is the FI, means as I shown you, OB52 is FI and it is by MM. Okay, so our part is MM. In MM RV we can see to display posting status. In MMPV we can check, close the period. Okay, so let me check if I suppose I am going to good receipt other than other. Just I'm trying to receive one material. Okay, direct stock. Okay, so system is saying 2024. Okay, so because this period is open, let me open oblique MMRV. MMRV is the display. So it is showing current period is 12th and previous period is 11. Okay, suppose if I give this date like 24/10. See what is system saying? Posting only possible in period 2024, 12 and 11. Okay, why? Because you can see the all, then you can posting only possible in period 2024, 12 and 11. Okay, in company code 1810. So if you see the MMRV, so this is our company code. Okay, and it is showing 12 and 11. So this is a posting period, month and year. So this is our posting period is possible into this area, current month and previous. Okay, so if you give it, system will not allow. So what date we are giving? We are giving the 10th month. Even if you try to May, system will not allow. So what happened once you move into January? If I give the date of like December, so you will not able to happen. So what happened? Suppose 12th is going on, right? So what happened if you want to close this period? Go to oblique MM PV. So again, I'm saying, suppose if you go to, you need to give company code, then period. So 12th period, we need to close 12th period, right? And you can give the physical year 2024, you can do the check and close this one. Okay. And if you want, you can, if you do not want to into single step, you can first the check, then you can close into second. So this is a process you need to follow. Okay, so I was trying to give in 05. See, system is giving error. Okay, so if you get a kind of, you will get error, okay, most of the time in the month end, once your new month is starting. So you need to, means every 30, generally what we are doing, suppose today is the 31st, okay, tomorrow is the first. So we will close at 31st at evening this time, means evening time after 8 or 9 p.m. you can open trade. So what happened after 12, if anybody is going to post for the new date, means next month date, they can post easily. Okay, so remember every 30 means last of the day of the last month. Okay, okay, so this is a happening into, so what happened, so that means start day of the start month. Okay, so what happen, otherwise user will get that this of a error. Okay, and he is not able to post into 1st Jan. He can post, but for the old date. Okay, so that's why we need to care. So this is the opening and closing trade. In the interview they can ask you some questions about this, so you can tell on the average. So it is not like this means you can open without discussing. So you need to discuss with management, means CFO or a company policy, and then you can open your trade. Sometimes they are saying no, we need to open in the morning. Okay, so this is happening. So this is the kind of I can say the fiscal year and posting variant. So fiscal year is a kind of FI issue, but you need to know. So they can ask means what are the special period we are defining? What is the meaning of fiscal year variant? So you can say the kind of April to March, this is the, and we are assigning the special month. And into period posting, we are assigning the kind of some uh, year end. Okay, from starting to end. So yeah, so today I think we are good. I will just take 5 or 6 minutes again. So let me share you. So physical variant. Okay, it is done. No issue. Okay, and one more thing. See, we have had checked ME11 purchase info record. Remember? Okay. So if I open any standard, so these are the standard. Okay. So we are creating info record with the material, and if you see this info record, we are creating through supplier and material combination, right? So can we create without material? Okay. Yes, we can create. It is an interview question and you need to know. So yes, we can create without material also. So if I don't give the material, then what will happen? Okay. So I will show you. So if you not give the material, what happen, system will ask you the material group. Okay. So I'm giving the supplier, I'm giving blank as a material. Okay, purchasing or plant info. Just press enter, put. So I'm giving itself info record without material. And my module Suhit shell labo. Okay, now here you can give the your metal group. See, this is a mandatory. Okay, so whatever, suppose if it is your material is related to steel, you can assign this. And like reminder, so you can give 10 days, 15 days, same way. Okay, there's nothing change. Okay, so order unit, plant delivery time, standard quantity, everything will be same. USD, so I'm giving the price, purchasing group, and save it. So purchase info record is created. So yes, this is possible. This is an interview question you can create without material itself. Yeah, you can change, update, the same transaction is there. Purchase info record, same transaction, ME11, ME12, ME13. Okay, and what is the mandate? So require field is material group. So this is very important. So yes, you can create the PIR with material, without material. So we have checked the earlier with material. And PIR, so there is a PIR type. So standard we have seen, subcontracting also we have created. Okay, so in the subcontracting you need to just click this subcontracting process. Pipeline, it is kind of some water or oil. I will tell you the kind of some scenario. And consignment, it is the consignment process. So there are 4 type of vendor. Okay, and important thing, if you proceed consignment process, purchase and for record is mandatory. Okay, even in the standard not mandatory, subcontracting process not mandatory, but for the consignment, purchase info record is mandatory. So I think today we are good.
Thank you so much. Kindly follow us. Thank you.